Premium bike can primarily be classified into four major categories and require the right technique and precautions for a safe and enjoyable ride. I'm your safety instructor from Honda, and let's discuss these techniques and prerequisites. The most important thing for riding a big bike is the right riding gear. Let's start with the helmet, which should ideally be an ISI-marked full-face helmet with a snug fit. The riding jackets too can be of different types depending on the kind of bike being used. But they should have elbow and shoulder armors and offer back protection without compromising on functionality. Riding gloves too should be friction-resistant and allowing easy movement of hands. The riding pants should be properly armored and should have bright color or a retro-reflective covering for easy visibility. For riding shoes, you can select from 3 different kinds depending on the bike being ridden. The shoes should be sturdy with built-in ankle protection. Before heading out on your big bike, make sure that you are carrying all the valid documents. And never mix drinking and riding. It is also very important to do some routine quick checks before every ride, like checking the front and rear brakes, the headlight and the tail light, the indicators and horn, the air pressure in the tires, coolant level, brake fluid level, and the fuel level. Now that you are ready to hit the road, a correct riding position is one which allows you to hold your body weight on your own without putting weight on the handlebars. Now that you are cruising on your big bike, you are bound to encounter some sharp corners during your ride. To negotiate them, you can use different turning postures. You can either lean in, lean out, lean with. Using both brakes simultaneously while braking ensures that you get the shortest stopping distance. And always keep in mind, more the speed, greater the stopping distance. While riding, it should be kept in mind that traction control and ABS should always be on. Traction control helps accelerate and steer properly while maintaining good grip, especially on slippery surfaces when grip is poor. ABS helps in avoiding a tire lock when brakes are applied, thereby ensuring that your bike comes to complete stop safely. While riding your big bike, for overtaking other vehicles must be followed. Following the MSS rule or mirror check, signal shoulder check. Keeping these steps will go a long way in making your big bike riding experience a pleasurable one and keeping you safe while on the road.